In today's video, we'll walk through the process of purchasing travel insurance online using the website TravelGuard. This service provides a range of travel insurance plans designed to cover various needs, from trip cancellations to medical emergencies. Whether you're planning a short vacation or a long international journey, travel insurance is essential for peace of mind. To get started, head over to the TravelGuard website. The homepage is user-friendly, and from there, you can immediately start by entering your trip details, including destination, dates, and the number of travelers. This helps the system suggest the best coverage options tailored for your trip. The main advantage of TravelGuard is that it simplifies a complex process by allowing you to easily compare multiple insurance plans in one place, saving you time and effort. Once you've entered your trip details, the site will present different insurance plans. You will see basic coverage options, which are generally more affordable, alongside premium plans that provide more extensive protection. Make sure to review each plan's details carefully. Some plans focus on trip cancellation and interruption coverage, while others provide more comprehensive medical coverage, which can be crucial if you're traveling to countries with expensive healthcare. A disadvantage to keep in mind is that TravelGuard's prices may sometimes be higher than other providers, depending on your travel specifics, but the quality of coverage is generally strong. Now, let me recommend a reliable service called Ekta Traveling. If you're looking for a partner that offers competitive prices and flexible plans, this service could be exactly what you need. You can find more information on it in the link below the video. As we continue, you'll find that TravelGuard offers many extra options, such as coverage for lost luggage, emergency medical evacuation, and even flight accident insurance. For each plan, you can see detailed breakdowns of what's covered, and the total cost is updated in real time as you add or remove features. This transparency helps you make an informed decision. To finish your purchase, all you have to do is select the insurance plan that fits your needs, click Buy Now, and enter your personal and payment information. The process is quick, and after purchasing, you will receive your insurance documents via email. That's all there is to it. TravelGuard makes the process of getting travel insurance simple and straightforward. If you want to protect your next trip, be sure to follow the link in the description to explore more about travel insurance options. Remember to subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up, and hit the bell icon for more useful travel tips and guides.